Thank you for selecting Larry H. Miller Chevrolet Murray, where we have hundreds of new, pre-owned, and certified vehicles to choose from. Check out this.
Imagine driving this red-hot 2014 Chevrolet Cruze, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy this great car with features like windows, rear defogger, windows, lockout button, windows, front wipers, variable intermittent, windows, laminated glass, acoustic, power windows, daytime running lights, rear seats, rear heat, vents, warnings and reminders, tire pressure warning, seats, leather appointed upholstery, seats, front seat type, bucket, front suspension type, McPherson struts, vanity mirrors, dual, tail and brake lights, LED rear center brake light, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. See us at Larry H. Miller Chevrolet of Murray today.
Please contact us today or visit our site at LarryHMillerChevrolet.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.